Welcome to this quick guide on mastering link searches in Telegram Web for PC. If you've ever struggled to find a specific link buried in your chats, the latest update simplifies the process. Let's dive into the steps to efficiently search through shared links on your desktop. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to web.telegram.org. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. The left panel displays your chats, while the main window shows active conversations. Now locate the search bar at the top of the screen. This isn't just for finding messages or contacts. It's your gateway to filtering links. Click on it, and you'll notice a drop-down menu with categories like messages, media, and links. Select links here. This action tells Telegram to focus exclusively on shared URLs within your current chat or group. With the links filter active, type a keyword related to the link you're searching for. For example, if you're looking for a YouTube video, enter terms like tutorial or music. Telegram will instantly display all matching links shared in the conversation. You can scroll through the results, which appear in reverse chronological order. Need to refine your search? Use specific phrases or dates. If you recall sharing a document last week, combine keywords like report with the approximate time frame. Telegram's search algorithm is robust enough to handle these nuances, making it easier to pinpoint what you need. Once you've found the link, click on it to open directly in a new tab or copy it for later use. This method works seamlessly across private chats, groups, and channels, saving you from endless scrolling. And that's it. With these steps, you're now equipped to navigate Telegram Web's link search feature like a pro. Whether you're managing work resources or revisiting favorite articles, this tool ensures you'll never lose track of important links again. Happy searching!